Namaste everyone. I came across J. Krishnamurti sir through one book during my PhD. For me, first title is important and then content of book is important. If I found interesting, then I saw who is author of this book. At that time I don't know about him very much. Again during his spiritual practices, his message came into my life through blue book at the feet of the master. He was the great philosopher. Sun is a day for one continent and night for another at the same time. Day and night, pain and pleasure, sukh and dukh, dhoop or chhav, poorness and richness, these all are parts of life. When we lost something, then we will able to get something new. Knowledge is accumulation of the past. Learning is always in the present. India is so blessed to have seasonal variation. Fruits need right temperature to ripe and natural environment. If the place not suitable, then artificial environment is given. But now everyone is very fast to grow their children, their family, their education, their society, food material and many more things in very fast forward way. कहते हैं वक्त से पहले नहीं, भाग्य से ज़्यादा नहीं. Which kind of education, which kind of environment, which kind of sanskar we are giving to our youngsters. When a child is born, always parent, especially mother, take care a lot for nurturing their child. Parents always look for best school or best teacher to teach their children within their monthly or yearly budget or sometimes beyond their budget. From childhood, child nourishes with the thought of getting good marks and position or rank. It can be child own interest or their parent interest. Once education ends, job starts to work in practical environment. During education, we read and learn various theories, principles and examples, but we never learn how to understand mind and relationship with others. Darwin's theory was who will adopt the environment like giraffe will survive, called as a law of survival of the fittest. Finally, we are making ourselves educated for getting good job, work satisfaction, good house, good life partner and good society. During getting this, we are facing problems as we cross, get tall. After satisfying all desire, after that we face different kinds of problem. So every stage is to learn how to get, how to face, how to enjoy achievement. किसी किसी के पास ईश्वर का दिया सब कुछ होता है, अच्छा घर, अच्छा परिवार, पैसा, हेल्दी बच्चे, तो भी मनुष्य का स्वभाव कुछ ऐसा है कि वो खुश नहीं रह सकता और ना ही वो दूसरों को खुश देख सकता है. इस तरह की सिचुएशन में दूसरे टाइप के इश्यूज जनरेट होते हैं दैट मेक्स योर लाइफ फुल ऑफ मिजरी. So human behavior is the one of the vast subject to study. Very small things of गृहस्थ जीवन, ना खुद आदमी जीता है ना दूसरों को जीने देता है. We attend various workshops for better livelihood, for better work and for better relationship. We meditate to regulate our mind and thoughts. What does it mean if whole world will go to Himalaya? Then what will be situation at that place? God has given wonderful life to us. Why not we spend every phase of life correctly? And this is the physical body, garment of soul, to experience, to explore. How many clothes you need? 50, 100, 200, many more. How many shoes? How many houses? How much money you need? What about maintenance? After getting all, you are doing maintenance or you are paying for maintenance. If today's children are not capable of cleaning his study table and many more things, study is useless. If you are paying, really you are getting good maintenance. From where you are paying? From your salary and many more things. Why not being living in this world, working in this, passing life with family, studying in this world, doing job in this world with great responsibility to doing things in right way, not destroying each other and finally oneself. Thank you very much.